Okay, so I'm here this morning on Paddy Jalantic. It's the one that comes from Kudarai to Legian Street. I'm at a place called Kubu Mentig, and it's a Balinese, sort of like a hotel homestead. So we're going to go in now. I've got a couple of subscribers here that have contacted me before they come, and they asked me if I wanted something, and I said bring me some licorice. So licorice is hard to find here in Indonesia. So I'm going to go in this morning, meet Kylie, and yeah, see what's going on in this hotel, Kubu Mentig. All right, so good morning. This is Kylie, yeah?
Thank you.
How are you?
Good.
All right.
You're taller than I thought you were.
Lovely. Can you come over? Yeah.
This is for two.
I'll put it. Yeah. Grand. All right. Ni kalau agak kamu, bagus. Asli dari sini or Kubu? All right. Okay. Wow, it's nice, isn't it? Yeah. Bali style.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Gaya Bali, eh? Semua bagus. Wow, look at this. So nice. Oh, this is one of the rooms you can rent, is it?
No, this is their mum and dad.
Oh, this is the family place?
Family, yeah.
How unreal is the... I love this Bali style, you know, with all the gold and...
Yeah.
So beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow, it really is nice. So it's sort of nearly like a family homestay, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We've got the post. Wow, it's really nice. Now, you wouldn't know this place is here because Paddy Jalantic, you just go straight from Kudarai into Legian Street. But, yeah, very nice.
Yeah, trying to get the word out.
All right. Oh, so you've got a swimming pool?
Yep.
So you've got a fair few rooms here. A nice little pool.
That part there is the family.
Right.
That part there is the family, and this part.
Oh, this is family all here, right?
That's family, and then that's for the guest house.
Oh, just here, all right.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
The downstairs is $30 a night.
Yeah, it's cheap, isn't it? Yeah.
And then upstairs is $50 a night.
Right,
Yeah.
it's good value.
Yeah.
So you here by yourself or with your husband? Or? He's asleep, is he?
And daughter. Did you want to have a look in a room?
Yeah, we could do that, yeah. All right, so we'll just check out one of the rooms. Now, these are $30 a night. Oh, it's probably okay. Wow, it's pretty nice. They're very clean. It's got the telly. It's got everything you need, really. Television and a bed. And aircon, isn't he? And, oh, yeah. And aircon.
And the beds have all got toppers on it. And Aussie bought all toppers for the beds, latex toppers.
And you got sort of a small bathroom, but it's all you need. And for the price, very good value. Because you got the pool right out the front. A lot of the times in hotels you pay a lot extra if you're right in front of the pool. But yeah, very nice. Selamat pagi, Ibu. Hello.
How are you?
Nama saya Grant.
My name Ketut.
Ketut?
Yeah.
All right. Anak kamu ni?
Menantu.
Oh, right.
Ya, Ira.
Ira?
Itu anak yang.
Ini dia.
Ya.
Ibu, bisa kopi? Aku baru bangun ya.
Kopi isi gula?
No, tapi segala aku diabetes. Tapi segala.
Ya. Duduk nanti. Balik kopi?
Ya, bisa. Makasih, tapi baru bangun ya.
Ya.
Belum bangun. All right. It's really nice.
It is, yeah.
Hello.
Oh, this is Neela.
Hello, Neela. How are you? Good. Keluarga juga kamu?
Yeah.
All right. So it's a full family-run place, this, which is really good.
Yeah.
So, can go there,
Sehat, selamat pagi.
ya? Sama-sama ya.
Ya.
Siapa nama kamu?
Made Mentig.
Nama saya Grant.
Grand.
How are you?
New family.
All right. Very
Family.
nice, eh?
Yeah.
Very nice here, yeah? I like it. It's a family homestay, yeah?
Thank you.
Yeah.
That we do here.
So asli dari Legian kamu?
Asli.
All right. Kenapa namanya itu Kubu? Like Kubu Karanasam, eh?
Well, at Bali, if they move from first house to second house, they
Oh.
call Kubu.
Oh, like that.
Yeah.
I was thinking Kubu, the area like North
Yeah.
Karanasam, all right.
And then we put Mentig because in my area is hill, yeah.
All right.
Mentig.
All right. Yeah. I like all the gold, and I love the Gaya Bali, the Bali style. It's beautiful. It's still. I've seen it so many times, and it still fascinates me.
Yeah. I've actually not seen one as nice as this one yet.
There's a lot around, but normally long-term family complexes that might be like that, or more wealthy people.
Yeah. So I've been coming here for many years, and we were here in January for Patu's wedding.
Oh, right.
And I actually got up on there, and first time I've ever had a really good look at the doors.
So you already know the family? All right.
Yeah. We got invited to Patu's wedding in January, That was here. The wedding was here, so yeah.
So this is his wife, or?
No, that's Neela, that's his sister.
Oh, that's right.
I think his wife's in there.
Oh,
yeah, with the Australian shirt on.
You can bring her a shirt.
The Australian shirt.
I remember back in the 80s, they used to, because the tourism was new and they all wanted Levi jeans and they wanted Aussie shirts. I used to just buy,
oh, that's funny,
like tea towels with Aussie flags and things like that, anything Aussie.
Yeah.
And I'd come and they'd be swapping them for T-shirts and swapping them for things.
I think they still do like the Aussie stuff.
Yeah. Right. So how long are you here for? Is that on?
Just till the 16th.
Yep.
16th.
All right.
Yeah. We were only here 5 weeks ago, so.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So where are you from in Australia?
New South Wales Central Coast.
All right.
Yeah.
Around Gosford, or?
Between Gosford and Newcastle.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a nice area, isn't it?
Yeah.
So how long have you lived here?
Well, my whole house at Legian Street.
Oh, on Legian Street.
And
all
then my father, because before long ago, Balinese people, they have more than 8 and 6 kids there.
right. All right.
Yeah. Why? Probably if they have land, they can make it easy to do the family in the farmer.
All right.
Because from here to get the farmer is not much, probably around 5 minutes walking.
Yeah, right.
And the Jalan Dewi Sri, that before is rice.
Yeah, just rice paddy, yeah.
And then we moved to my old house at Legian, from here 1975.
Oh, 75. All right.
And then my father moved here because they pulled there, and then they moved here.
All right.
And then Balinese people, if they move to second house here, to first house, to do another, they call Kubu.
Oh, right. Kubu. All right.
Yeah, and then we put here Kubu Mentig because the Mentig is the hill of Legian here.
All right. Yeah, right. Well, that's, because you're saying back then you didn't have builders and that, everyone just come together and helping.
Yeah.
And you just feed them. And that's the community that's lost now because of the tourism. Tourism's good for the people and work, but I think it's affected the culture a lot actually.
Yeah.
And me coming here for over 40 years, I can really notice it.
You can notice it,
And because I've been here already permanent for 30 years, and in the last 30 years, even since the 90s, it's changing. Thank you,
Come to my place.
Yes.
Before you don't know, now you know that is mean what you is my family.
All right.
Just feel exactly
I'll
like
give your business a plug. So this is not on Traveloka, nothing, yeah?
No.
Not on.
No.
So you just must come, yeah?
Just,
All right.
they do contact me on the messenger, on the Facebook.
Yeah, they do.
Ada number
Facebook.
apa itu?
I will.
Oh, all
probably will
right.
give
So I'll put the phone number and that in you.
because that way open.
I'll grab a card.
Before they stay here, and if I look, that is my guest, and if I look, that is all my family.
Family, yeah. Okay.
That's what. Thank you very much, brother.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you, Park. Yeah. Because
I do my job now. Bye bye.
Bye.
Got to go and work.
Yeah. Right, here's the boss, or is this the boss? How are you, mate?
Good. How are you?
What's your name?
Rod.
Rod. Grant. Yeah.
Yeah.
Your face. Look at you. Just wake up, mate. Have a big one last night.
Oh, I didn't
No.
have a big one, but just woke up.
All right. We were just talking to the owner and that. It's a great place here, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, we've been coming here for a while,
Yeah.
15 years or so.
Yeah, we love it.
Yeah, it's good. I like this sort of family-orientated type of businesses. Yeah, they're good.
Yeah.
You need a coffee, mate. All right.
do.
Or a bintang.
Or a bintang.
No, he doesn't like
Pub's open somewhere, mate.
He doesn't like
He's
the
on
bintangs.
holidays. Right, so tell us a bit about the Bucko's beef jerky. What's the go with that?
He makes it himself out of rump steak.
All right.
Yeah.
So you can buy this in Australia, or?
He sells it just to family and friends,
Right.
but his friend owns 40% of a Y bar in Uluwatu.
Why is there a Y bar out there?
It's
Is it
new.
same as this one? No, same
Yeah,
people.
and he owns 10% of
Oh,
this
right,
one.
okay.
So they're actually, this is coming here
All right.
to sell at those two bars. Yeah.
So if you see this around, buy it. Bucko's beef jerky. Apparently, it's pretty good.
This one's a spicy one.
All right. So there's spicy and original. All
Yeah.
right. So when did you bring me my
Yeah,
licorice?
I did.
All right.
I got you two.
So she contacted me before they came and said, "Is there anything you want?" And I thought, I asked someone else recently to bring me a can opener, one of the old style steel ones. You know, I don't like these plastic handles. And I thought, licorice, I'm craving it. Darryl Lee too, what a great brand. So thanks for that.
Yeah, that's all right. Welcome.
See how much was that? I'll give you the cash for it. Great stuff.
Only $8
Because you
for two.
Someone said you can buy it somewhere, but I still can't find it, licorice. So,
Oh, here?
Yeah.
Oh, I haven't seen it here.
So what's your name? She's shy.
Desi.
She's not like Mum. She actually looks like Mum, doesn't she? Eh?
Her name's Desi.
So you've been to Bali since you were a baby too?
Yeah.
Pretty much, like since I was 7, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah. She always comes with us. The other kids stay at home.
Oh, you got other kids? How many kids you got?
4.
4?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm the youngest.
She's the baby.
All right, so what are you going to do here? Are you just relaxing? Are you
Just
going to go anywhere? Do anything?
Relaxing before we go home to the grandchildren.
So now we have them.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, no, we don't do a lot anymore.
no, we used to.
We've been
but
everywhere.
We've been here.
You've seen
a
everything
lot.
enough times? Yeah.
Yeah.
Sort of the way, yeah, it's good just to come and relax. And
Yeah.
I found when you do travel and you move around a lot,
Yeah.
then you need a holiday when you get home.
That's right. We do. We go up north, and we normally take our Balinese friends with us
Right,
to Lavina or
yeah,
we over to Nusa Lemboggan.
right.
We normally pay for them to come on holiday, a little holiday with us.
It's nice over there. It's getting a bit commercially over there too now. It's getting a bit expensive too. these
Yeah,
days.
I wasn't that keen the last time we went over to
Yeah.
Nusa Lemboggan actually. Yeah, I think I'd rather Singaraja and Lavina, to be honest.
Lavina's a nice quiet area and it's still very country-like.
Yeah.
You know, so
Yeah, quiet. How long for? We put in an airport
Sort
there
of-
and
oh well, the
Probably
elusive
not,
airport.
maybe like
Will it
a
ever really happen?
smaller.
I don't
yeah,
know.
Like
yeah.
a domestic one, I would guess.
Yeah,
Oh, it's going to be a big international,
yeah,
but
it'll
I'm
be a
not
big
sure
international.
it'll really ever happen. I don't know.
Yeah,
So how many times do you reckon you've been here all up?
maybe 20.
20?
Yeah.
Have you been
Yeah.
anywhere else in Southeast Asia?
No,
No.
no.
All right, so it's been really nice. I was just looking at the sign there.
Yeah,
Kubu Mentig. What is it? Welcome back home, family. And
Yeah.
this is really good. I'll leave a Google Maps link in the description of this place. Come and check it out.
Yeah.
It's been really nice to meet
yeah, you too.
you. Yeah. And I'll see you maybe next time you come back. Bring me some more licorice.
Yeah, we'll do.
Would